दिस इज अ ग्रेड 3 नी आर्थराइटिस। यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है इस जॉइंट स्पेस कम हुआ है, ये जॉइंट स्पेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, तो ये होने की वजह से देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पेन। अभी आइडियली रिक्वायर्स अ नी रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी। अभी देयर आर सम पीपल हु कैन नॉट, who don't want a knee replacement surgery at this point of life. So joint preservation procedures are there. One of the joint preservation procedures that we do is radiofrequency ablation. You want to know what is radiofrequency ablation? Come, I'll show you what is a radiofrequency ablation. We have done radiofrequency ablation of the superior lateral genicular nerve now. Now we are going on to do the superior medial genicular nerve radiofrequency ablation. We've done motor testing at this point of time. Motor testing does not show any twitching. So we are going to give a local anesthesia over there and then do the complete sensory ablation of the superior medial genicular nerve. After that, we'll be doing ablation of the inferior medial genicular nerve. So this will give complete pain relief for any medial compartment knee arthritis. So this is the radiofrequency ablation machine. We've already connected our probes. This machine will ablate the nerves now. You can see the temperature graph rising over here. It will go up to 60 degrees. After that, it will stabilize. And then this ablation will take place for about 2.5 minutes. After that, there will be complete ablation of the nerve and that will give adequate pain relief for any medial compartment knee arthritis. And thus, if you've been advised a knee replacement surgery, this can delay your process of knee replacement surgery. This contains a water supply which is coming from the machine over there. You can see the water supply in the machine over there. That helps in a cool process called a cool radiofrequency ablation. Previously, it used to be heat generated process. Now it is all about cooled radiofrequency ablation that we are doing. This is more safer and second, better pain relief, the cooled radiofrequency ablation. This radiofrequency ablation procedure can give joint pain relief for at least 1 to 2 years without the need for taking any painkiller medicines. And this procedure is one of the latest advancements in joint pain relief. You can see the recovery of a patient who went through radiofrequency ablation procedure. Within 3 hours, he is walking again pain-free. You want to know more about radiofrequency ablation? Visit Zainova Shelby Hospital. I am available for OPD every day, Monday to Saturday.